The PILSAMAS wireless caregiver call button system includes three pre-linked panic buttons and a central hub, giving families a simple way to summon help anywhere in the house. Its radio signal reaches through typical walls and doors over a long distance, while the hub connects to home wireless internet, so caregivers can receive alerts even when they are away. When someone presses a button, the hub emits a strong audible alarm with bright visual flashes and can also send an app notification, so it is hard to overlook a call for assistance. Using the companion app, you can review past alerts, fine-tune alarm volume, sound, and duration, and keep an eye on each button's battery status in real time. The hub offers a wide selection of ringtones and multiple volume levels, and each button can be labeled and assigned its own sound so you immediately know who needs help. Setup is straightforward with no ongoing fees, and the buttons can be worn, mounted on walls, or placed on bedside tables, making the system flexible for homes, clinics, and care facilities.